everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to recover Bigo Password. So in order to recover Bigo Password, you must first own the application. I already have my application, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Bigo Live application. So once you tap on the Bigo Live application, you get to this page where I'll be tapping on sign in with phone because that is how you can easily recover, and I previously signed in from my phone. So now instead of typing the password as you've forgotten, you'll have to go and tap on forgot password option that is just below login via verification code. So once you tap on forgot password option, you'll get to this page where you'll have to confirm your country and your phone number. It will already be given. In case it isn't, you'll have to type in your country and phone number and tap on next option. Now the verification code will be sent to your phone. I'll not be showing that step because I'll be typing the verification code from another device, but it'll be shown on your SMS. So you have to go and check your SMS and type your verification code. So once you type your verification code, now you can create new password. So make sure you create password that is 6 characters long and that is easier for you to remember. So once you type your password, you'll have to go and tap on done option. And that is how you recover your account. You can scroll up and check your name if it's your own account. It is my own account. So that is how you can recover your account in Bigo Live. So that is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in. Bye bye.